So before this video gets started, if you're interested in signing up for Instacart, if you want to make $20, $30, sometimes even $40 per hour shopping for groceries, now is the time to do it. I'm gonna leave my link in the description down below so you can get your guarantee of up to $800, guys. So use my link in the description down below and you can sign up to start doing grocery delivery. It's a great way to make money. It's fun, it's easy, and you will start making a lot of money with it. So again, use my link in the description down below to sign up for Instacart. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today we're talking about how Instacart is giving out bonuses to shoppers left and right. Today I'm gonna be breaking down all the different bonuses that Instacart gives out to shoppers. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first bonus that Instacart gives out is actually to new shoppers in the form of a sign-up bonus. So according to Instacart, which I have pulled up in this conversation right here, I actually reached out to Instacart the other day and I just asked them, they said, hey, thank you for contacting Instacart. Care, my name is Sujin. How may I help you today? I go, hi Sujin, how are you? I go, I was wondering, if you use someone's referral code, do you get a sign-up bonus? He goes, I'm fine, thank you for asking. Yes, that's true, Mr. Hemrick. Are you planning to refer your friend or family member to become an Instacart shopper? Okay, cool. So I can tell my friends that they can sign up, they can get a sign-up bonus if they use my code. Yes, some of my amazing friends, which are you guys. And they go, yes, they are welcome to Instacart family. So I thought that was really cool. And just to confirm, like, Instacart is giving out bonuses to people who use my code. So you can go ahead and use the code, the link in the description down below, and make sure when you click the link that when you do sign up, the code is also attached too, because sometimes for whatever reason the code isn't attached, and you want to make sure you get that bonus that Sujin talks about there. So yeah, anyways, so the next bonus that people, oh yeah, but by the way, the sign up bonus could be, I don't know, maybe I haven't really heard from him specifically, but I've heard from other apps it could be up to $1,000. So, or sometimes up to $2,000. I know some areas are like $2,500. I mean, that's probably not every area, that's probably just bigger areas. Sorry, I thought my maintenance guy was here. But no, yeah, so it's honestly, that's something, obviously if you live in a small little town, maybe they do need a lot of people in a small little town. I don't know. The worst thing you can do is try to use the referral code, sign up, and see what kind of bonus you will get. So the second bonus are the weekly bonuses. So Instacart does actually fortunately give out weekly incentive bonuses to shoppers because Instacart is in such high demand right now with the lockdown and everything going on, is that they're actually giving shoppers extra money to complete bonuses if they complete a certain number of batches per week. So they might say, complete 30 batches this week, which is kind of a lot, and they'll say, we'll throw on an extra $200. That way, they get shoppers because they make money when shoppers deliver. It's kind of a win-win thing. So anyways, the third bonus are the daily bonuses. So a lot of them are doing, it's more like an hourly bonus, but let's call it a daily bonus. They'll say, all right, go out and shop from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. to complete 3 batches, and we'll give you an extra $10. It's not like crazy money, but hey, it's an extra $3.33, 0.333 repeating cents. I don't know how they calculate that. Well, I guess they just throw you out $10. So that's how they do it. So that's honestly a pretty good deal. If you go out and do some, 3 extra batches, you get an extra $10. And no, you're not gonna get rich from these things, but like, if you keep adding these things up over time, it's pretty good money too. So number 4 are the batch bonuses. So this one is that sometimes there's something called a peak boost on a batch. I'll see if I can throw up a screenshot if I find an example, but if it's a really busy time, for example, or if it's a really big order and it's like kind of like a bonus. They'll throw an extra $8 or $10 or even $5, it's better than nothing, to complete a batch that is in either maybe you have to drive really far, or it's really early in the morning, or it's during rush hour, whatever the case might be. Number 5 is the referral bonuses. So this is, as a shopper, you're able to refer other people to get a sign-up bonus. So once you sign up using my code, well, I want you to use my code, but hey, whatever. This works for everybody, even if you don't use my code. If you sign up for Instacart, you get your own referral code, and then you can then share that referral code out with your friends too. Share it on social media, whatever, email, I don't know, send a postcard out to your favorite buddies, I don't know, whatever you gotta do. And then if they complete a certain number of rides, then you get a small bonus. You know, it's nothing great, but hey, money is money. The next one, number 6, this is not something necessarily considered a bonus, so I'm just going to, you know, the next 3 are not technically from Instacart. These are, well, this last one is, yeah, well, let's just talk about it. This is not from Instacart giving out bonuses. This is just another bonus you will get as an Instacart shopper. Number 6 is tip bonuses. So right now, especially with the lockdown, people are giving out $50, $60, $70 tips. I've even seen a $180 tip to people doing deliveries. That $180 tip, I believe, was on DoorDash, but still, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody got it on Instacart as well. People are just super thankful, especially the immunocompromised, elderly people. They want to stay at home. They don't want to go out to grocery stores right now because they don't want to get sick. So they're throwing out huge tips, and also just, you know, I've seen people tip way more on Instacart than they do on Uber and Lyft because, you know, you're going out and doing a big service for them and they don't have to do anything. They don't even have to leave their couch. So people are more prone to tipping. The next one is Get Upside bonus. So if you use Get Upside, I will leave a link in the description down below for Get Upside. This is for gas. So once you fill up gas with the Get Upside app, you'll get a bonus back in the form of, in the form of money, which you can either get PayPal, you can get a check, or you can just get some gift cards, whatever. If you're using my code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. So if you have a 15-gallon tank, you know, right off the bat, you're getting a few bucks back already. So that's pretty good. And if, you know, you drive a lot, you know, you're talking about some serious money here. Number 8, money saved, etc. Number 8 is the Gridwise mileage saving. I wouldn't necessarily call this a bonus, but I did definitely want to include this because if you're tracking all your miles through Gridwise, Gridwise tracks your miles completely for free. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and you could potentially save thousands of dollars. So thank you all for watching. Let me know down below your tips and tricks if you're an Instacart shopper, or if you have any questions at all, I'll be happy to answer them. Have a good day, bye.